Hello folks, this is Steve A.B.4L. Got a close-up lens on, that's the Deep River. I'm in Franklinville, Randolph County, North Carolina. Isn't that beautiful? Now these have been flowering a little bit, and you can see that they easily lose their petals. But some of them have the full parachute, and they're tasty. Oh, they bumped each other. That ain't nice. Get off my flower. Look at how beautiful that is. Wow. The little sweat bees are all over them. See? See? Oh, look, a big wasp. See that little tiny one? See that little tiny one? Isn't the color beautiful? It's not just yellow, it's a particular yellow. Look at how beautiful it is. Oh, somebody likes it. Somebody likes it. You see, small flowers can hold up to a certain size pollinator. And not bigger. Aren't these beautiful? Steve A.B.4L, just loving nature, saying see you in 73. And I'm sweating.